In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the email address to which your Wix form submissions are sent. This is a straightforward process that can be completed quickly, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step, ensuring that everything is clear and easy to follow. To get started, you'll need to go to Wix. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Wix dashboard, which is the main hub where you manage all your sites and content. It's a dynamic interface that provides easy access to different website functionalities. And from here, you're ready to choose the specific site you're working on. Select your site from the dashboard. This is essential if you manage multiple websites, as you wouldn't want to edit the settings on the wrong one. Next, you'll need to locate the form you wish to modify. Click on the form, and you should see an option to edit the form. Selecting Edit Form will open the Form Designer, a powerful tool that lets you customize various aspects of the form's look, feel, and behavior. This is where all your form settings reside. Once you're in the form editor, look for the Settings option. Clicking Settings will open a panel where you can adjust how your form operates. It's like a control center for your form, offering everything you need to tailor notifications and other vital functions. As you scroll through the settings, keep your eyes peeled for the Notifications and Automation section. This area is crucial because it's where you manage all the alerts that get sent out whenever someone submits your form. Now that you've found Notifications and Automations, it's time to click the Edit button. Doing so will bring up another screen with comprehensive options for managing who receives these submissions. You'll want to focus on the button labeled Set Recipients. This is where you control the email addresses that will receive the form data. Click on Set Recipients, which will then give you the ability to add a new email address if necessary. Simply click on Add, and you can enter a new email address that you would like to use for receiving these notifications. This is particularly useful if you're updating your contact details or if another team member needs to get the submissions. After you've input the new email address, make sure you click Apply to save your changes. This step is crucial as it finalizes your settings, ensuring that all the modifications you've made are properly updated on the back end. And that's it. You've successfully changed the email address for your Wix form submissions. With these settings adjusted, you can rest easy knowing that your form data is sent to the correct location, streamlining your communication and ensuring efficiency. Keep this guide handy for future reference, and feel free to revisit it whenever you need to make similar adjustments.